Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to rename any worksheet. So first of all, you just have to have the worksheets. So by default you have the sheet 1, and then you can add the sheets using this plus symbol or button. So once you have a lot of worksheets, what you need to do is you can just right click, and here you will see this option of rename. So then you will be able to rename it. So let's say worksheet 1, or you can just name it as some category, for example items, or let's say if you want to name this one as analysis. So what other thing that we tried doing is, if we will double click on any of the worksheets, so then you will be able to rename it. And likewise here, double click on this tab, and then you will be able to edit the name or rename the worksheet. So either you can right click or double click on any of the worksheets tab, and then you'll be able to rename that. So it is very easy to rename any worksheets in your Microsoft Excel or even LibreOffice Calc.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.